I'm very excited to share with you what we are delivering to our customers this summer, which includes big updates across all of our core products. So let's start with OBX, where this summer we're bringing a lot of new features and improvements that perfectly aligns to the themes that Andy has just described. And this is the rebranding of TASKFEED, customer collaboration, the new powerful plan view, and an easy way of creating project templates. Also, new Lightning components and other improvements that we've been focusing on in the last couple of weeks. So new to OBX is the rebranding of TASKFEED. The TASKFEED app becomes Precursive OBX. TASKFEED boards becomes Precursive boards, and so on. And we'll continue to align this visual identity and user experience of our products over the coming releases to provide a consistent platform experience. Aligned to our theme of customer collaboration, we made a huge improvement to how you can work with and alongside your customers. When we run customer projects, we work with our customers and not against them. Projects are collaborative. We wanted to provide a way to define a team around your project, which included your customers and partners. From this summer release, in Precursive OBX, contacts can be added to board teams and assigned to tasks as contributors. When contacts are assigned to your board team and to tasks, it means your customers can receive more meaningful updates from Precursive when tasks assigned to them are overdue or ready, just like the ones you receive. Customer notification will also include a link tailored for each contact that delivers a personalized experience to external sharing or community. To help you maintain engagement with your customers, we can also enable engagement notifications, which will alert you when a contact opens your board for the first time or the first time in a while. This will be huge for managing customer projects, and we continue to improve this experience throughout the year. We have rebuilt our plan view. It's now faster and more responsive. The new plan view is amazing and will allow us to add more capabilities to it over the coming releases. In the new release, you'll be also able to create project templates from boards, and that will make your life a lot easier. Just build out a board with its lists and tasks and set it as a board template. Create a board type for your new template and just start using it. This will remove a lot of complexity involved in scheduling your processes in a spreadsheet across multiple references, subtasks, durations, and lead and lag times. For more advanced features like scheduling from space for date fields, you'll still be able to use task and list templates. Coming back to the platform experience theme, OBX is Lightning native. We have created a number of Lightning components which you can embed into your standard pages and use them having the same great experience as in the TASKFEED tab. You'll be able to add your boards and task components to your homepage to see what's coming next at a glance. Going to the board page, you'll be able to add the board team and the board stage components to see who is your project team and what is the progress of your project. Then on the task page, you'll be able to log your time, see your time logged history, add checklist items, and track the list path. So this summer, you'll also be able to edit your boards and tasks in a more convenient way by editing multiple fields at a time. For more complex projects with hierarchy, you'll be able to add dependencies between tasks on multiple boards, which will allow you to have more control when a task from one board is dependent on the task from a different board. You'll also be able to repeat tasks and log scheduling of the dates on a task. And all those features and improvements will make your work a lot easier and reduce the time that you are spending coordinating the work rather than just doing it. So let's now have a quick look at the new OBX features. So this is our new plan view, where you can easily navigate through the timeline. From here, you can amend your project plan by moving tasks, changing their dates or duration. The lines that connects the task are connection between a task and its predecessor. But you can also adjust those while your project changes. As I already mentioned, in this summer release, you can also edit multiple fields on a board or a task at once. Just click on the right side pane, and you can see that the right side pane becomes editable. Here you can adjust the dates of your task or add some notes. Now, let's navigate to a single task, as I would like to show you the new Lightning components on the standard page. So here you can see a number of Lightning components. At the top, I've added a component for the list path where I can basically change the progress of my task. Here, I have a task contributor component where I can assign people to tasks or add additional contributors to it. Here I have my checklist component where I can add additional checklist items, but also mark them as done. To see the time log history on the task or log your own time on a task, you can navigate to the time history component and just add your time log. Now, let's take a look at our board. Here we can see the board stages at the top of the page, and we can edit the board stage. In the board team component, we can assign users to roles, but also add additional board team members. In the task component, I can change the assignment to lists on tasks. I can also mark the task as complete or edit them and log my time on it. Now, let's go to templates and let's make our board a template. I'll create an onboarding template based on my existing board. I'll just select the template format to be a board and select the board that should be used as a template. Now I'll make it active and save. Once I have my board template created, I can create a board type for it. I can make it active and select the board template. I forgot to make it active. And that's it. You can now start to use this board type with the new template created from an existing board. So let's click on New Board. And we have already the type available in here. That will create a board with all the tasks and lists that existed on my previous board. Now I'd like to walk you through what we are currently looking at. Following our themes, we want to provide our users more insights. As the health of your projects and customers and the time to value are essential metrics in your world, we want to support you in recognizing that and take better decisions faster to make sure your business is growing. We also want to support project managers in their daily work. As they often work on very complex projects, we want to make sure our tool will support them in delivering those. Multiple dependencies will allow them to have more control when a task from one board is dependent on a task on a different board. But we also want to help them identifying what's the critical path on the project. As often we hear from you that plans need to be shared with your customers in a presentation or be visible in other tools, we are planning to add the possibility to export the plan to PDFs and MS projects. To also help you to easily identify the capacity of your team and help you decide who is the best person to work on your projects, we are looking at adding the capacity view to your plan. We'll be also looking at adding the visibility of when your team is off on holidays so that you can take better decisions and manage your projects without any capacity crunches.